is, what time is it? It is 1 o'clock in the morning, Thursday, I guess, and I have just been painting. I finished my painting. I'll show you it in a second, but I wanted to finish that tonight, and I've just been doing some homework, looking through some emails and stuff on my laptop, and now I'm not tired, so I'm going to pack because next week I am leaving for Thanksgiving break. I'm going to be leaving early than everyone else because most of my classes got canceled, so that's really nice. So I'm gonna be home longer than a week, which is really nice. So I'm going to pack because I'm gonna pack early because it's just the person I am. I kind of want to get everything done so I don't have to stress about it next week. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not tired. I have nothing really else to do, so I'm going to be doing that. But first, let me show you my finished painting. So this is my finished painting. It is of Aurora from this song that she put out, Forgotten Love. She painted this herself. It's a self-portrait, and so yeah, I really liked it. I really like the colors in it, so I wanted to paint that, and so I did, and I think it's okay. Some things I struggled with, as you can see, earlier in the vlog, the eyes were really dark. Like, the green around her eyes was much darker and the blue in her eyes was much darker, so I lightened that up, and then I just did some detailing in the hair, which I think I did too gray, like ashy gray, when in the picture it is like brown undertones, light blonde. So I tried to do that, but I think I just got too lazy and just wanted to kind of define it somewhat, and I messed up on this hand. I'm pretty proud of these two hands and the main hand, but this one I totally just, like, this finger right here is just so messed up. I'm proud of the thumb. That's probably the only part I like about this hand, but everything else is just, I don't really like it, but I think I did good on the background and stuff. So I'm proud of that, but yeah, I was just practicing on mainly like proportions because I suck at proportions, so yeah, I think I did an okay job, not too bad, and so I'm waiting for this to dry. Hopefully it'll be dry by next week because this is oil paint, if you guys are wondering. So yeah, I'm gonna hang it up there on my gallery wall art wall thing. I made that with oil paints too. It was from a Bob Ross tutorial. So yeah, that was my first time using oil paints, and then this, I just wanted to create like a little succulent leaf type thing. That turned out okay, not really like proud of that, but I think it's kind of cute. So yeah, that's gonna go up on the wall. So now I'm going to do some packing for when I have to leave next week. The only thing I know I can't pack is my swim bag because next weekend I have a swim meet in Bowling Green, so that should be fun, but I still need to use my swim bag obviously for practice. So yeah, and so probably I'm gonna pack most of my clothes and stuff. I have a list of things I need to do before I leave, so I'm just trying to get most of that done so I don't have to stress about it too much.
and it is almost 8 o'clock at night. Today has been just so lazy, and I mean, I did stuff, but it wasn't anything interesting, or I don't know, it just wasn't, it was just what it was. I don't know. I did some homework, which was good, and then I did some stuff that I need to get done for next week because Thursday I am leaving for Thanksgiving break. So I've just been like cleaning my room, organizing my stuff. So I just downloaded some games um, on stream that were free, and I'm going to try them out. They look really cool. Um, and I've been eating some banana, which are organic dark chocolate chewy banana bites. These are really good if you want to try them. They're really good. I don't know if they have just regular milk chocolate, but the dark chocolate ones are so good. So yeah, give these a try. They're at Trader Joe's, or no, Whole Foods. They're at Whole Foods. But yeah, these are really good. So give these a try if you are ever in Whole Foods. But yeah, I'm just gonna play some games, chill out. And tomorrow I'm going to do all like the choresy stuff. So I just want to make sure like everything in my room is put together, organized, neat, before I leave to go home.